Alright, this is going to be a redo of last Sunday's, the one that was made on Thanksgiving. We're going to start in a different order, and I think I can make this work for this type of glitch. So, let's go ahead and mark off the lines for the first fold. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and fold this up. Alrighty, let's see if I can scoot this up. Nope, there is absolutely no way I'm scooting that up. Great. Let me grab something real quick. Got a couple of sheets of just foam core I'm going to try and use. So we're just going to assume the center line here. Second person would be immensely helpful with this part. Alright, let's get that center-ish. We're going to fold that over. And touch up the stuff that fell. Yeah, I should be able to move it. There we go. Alright, so now we fold. Oop, that board. I'm going to fold this diagonally. And pull this back. This. Pull this back. All right. I think that's it. Arguably, we could do one more, but I think it's going to be too much. We can look and see. No. That side's okay. It's the other side that may not be because it's at an angle, so it's the straight lines. Let's see if I can do this. And one over here. I mean, yeah, honestly, it looks like it's staying together pretty well. Okay. That side looks okay. And we're just going to do the sinew Time. I probably shouldn't be pulling these super tight because that's awfully thick to try and get dye to go through. This. I am going to pick this. Let's see, which way am I going to dye this? That's a better question. Am I going to try? I guess I'm going to do side dyeing on this, so I guess I should continue this. All right. I don't know if this is going to work. It might work. I think it needs to be dyed probably on the side, not the top. Maybe the top and the bottom. I don't know. Maybe this time it'll work. Off to dye. Okay, for this I'm going to go with Black Ice and Dragon's Heart. I decided to go ahead and turn it on an end you normally wouldn't dye on. So we're going to try it. I'm going to put ice down, and then I'm going to just put the dye in the middle of each of these sections. And after that melts through, I'll flip it over and then do the same thing on the opposite side on the lines, because that would line up with the pattern. We'll see how this goes. I think I'll start with the Dragon's Heart, in case I change my mind about the Black Ice. Okay, let's put a little bit more on this one, because that one does look like it's quite a bit wider due to the thickness of the material. There we go. Let that melt through, and then we'll do the other side. Well now, I didn't think that through fully, did I? So, it's sitting in muck. There's just a tiny little bit that I can see that didn't get the dye. I think I'm going to leave it like this. I'm going to come back through, do ice, and then do some dye just on these lines that are marked, and see if it picks up anything. I'm guessing the answer is no. It's not going to pick up anything because it's sitting in the muck, and it's all going to be the dragon, what is it? Dragon's Heart. But we'll go ahead and give it a try. I think I'll go ahead and do it with the Black Ice, like I said. And, yeah. Let's go ahead and throw down some ice and put this on. And I don't think it's going to take any of the Black Ice, but we'll see what happens. Alright, we'll let that melt through. Alright, it's been 3 days or so. Let's go ahead and rinse this out. Okay. Let's take a look. Go throw this in the wash. And I think this is more matrixy than the last attempt, definitely. So throw this in the wash, get it all washed out, and take a final look. Well, here's the result. It definitely looks like a glitch. I'm not sure it looks any different than a regular glitch, so I'm not sure it's worth doing. I mean, there's a little bit of difference here, but overall, I mean, not really. The colors. Did I get any of the second color? I think it was Interstellar. Maybe a little bit, but mostly it's the, I can't even remember the name of it. It's Dragon something. What do you think? Continue down this road or just stop and go on a divergent path? Let me know down below. Until next time, thanks for watching.